Rosealee knows when I come and me attack, me a bust it up. Cause when she can't trick, when she can't trick me. Take pride in your picnic them if you eat yourself. You give away your picnic them for your series when you're real. That's what you did. You gave away your kids. And you want to look bad pan Jakes. It can't look bad pan Jakes. That's number one. One thing I like with Jakes, him behave like a girl. Him not take nobody we can't mind him calf them because him had a cow. At 200,000, you go like AKEAM artist, you buy jewelry from Artwell. For AKEAM come up in the camera and smile in mouth for the craving box. I don't blame him. Me now ask no question. Girl, you pay for the function, you lose both ways. Go and go collect back the Pitney them back to school money from AKEAM because I want to know all them big crutches woman you sit down on the app and hear you say you now full book list but yet still you buy man $200,000 bracelet and you pay for dinner for him and brethren. Your party wasn't enough. You still keep a party on the beach. Me don't know all them sit down and you talk about, oh, me are not the only one. Yes, you are the only one. You are the only one who brave enough to come public and turn yourself in an asshole. You are the only one who was telling nobody else not do this. Nobody else not doing this. Ask Kay when she made 10 points before Shana take him. Ask Kay, she get more than body, she get all icky. AKEAM never suck your chin yet cause you don't have no neck. Me just ask you, as you say, your face him lick. Him lick your face so. At 200,000 worth of lick you get, you know. But one thing I want to ask you, Rosealee, me not like how your lip look swollen. Me not ask you, tell me say you're allergic to the curry. Because all you talk to them, you look for your lip, you know. Your lip look little bit swollen, and that me want TikTok lie I did for talk about. Yeah, your lip look little bit swollen today. Me for ask Martin, Mr. Martin, go take a look at Rosealee lip and tell me, your lip look little bit swollen. For sure. Me not ask you, a allergy, oh, me know it's a curry. Curry and sea breeze not go well together. It's true. Me not ask you, Rosealee, you a big asshole. Nothing we could have come say today. Justify last night. Nothing. Nothing. Number one, you and AKEAM no sleep. Number two, after the dinner date, you're not going to separate ways. You're not malice right after that. Hey friend, bye friend. I saw not do it. So I don't know, when you sit down and try cuss other people, me see you try deflect. Don't go over Candy Crush. Do not go over Candy Crush. Candy not do you nothing. Candy party not do you nothing. Number one, your man was there with Theme Woman. Your man was there with Theme Woman. Don't go over Candy Crush. Candy not do you nothing in the world. You want to divert the argument. You remind me of King. I say all me did it to them, my board real bad. Nothing about you girl. You flop, you lose, you lost, but you shall be legendary. Of course you shall be legendary in a garbage pan. You shall be legendary in a low life. You shall be legendary in a man no want you. You shall be legendary in a mining man and not get the tealy. You shall, at this your legendary life. Me say all lie dead in and me say, I want to turn on my life, you know. I want to turn on my life. I say, I go buy one next phone. The one phone now though. I go buy one next phone. I say, all liar dead, man. I want to kick out liar phone out her hand. Do you think you can come on live and trick people? You can't trick the idiot them. I know girl will walk on mine, man. Rosealee, I get to my barn and grow. I jump over gutter water before I go in my house. I jump over gutter water before I go in my house, Rosealee. You can't tell me about girl with mine, man, and I get cock. You can't tell me about the rooster in a girl hole because of cash. You can't tell me that, Rosealee. You're the only one who abandoned your kids for 1 year straight and you come and talk about them. When I come and talk, I wasn't into it because my page where I make my money from. If I make money from my page and TikTok ban your live stream, your man supposed to can back you up, so that shouldn't stop the anniversary. You're too lie. And then you get up this morning, but I get back my page. You see, because me and my kids were on live, And you know the age restriction. Rosealee, go suck out Laverne. Go suck out Laverne with a long fire station hose. You're too lie. You vex more than the internet. You vex more than the internet. You and Akeem know the on good terms. You and Akeem do the on good terms. I mean, I ask you, I tell you, just in case you don't realize. Yeah? You and Akeem know the on good terms. Akeem come Kalikangan and I eat a earth here. It's a paid program. It's a paid program. So when you walk and I try chat and class, girl, you only sit down for your life with your big neck. You only sit down for your life with your big neck. Yeah, cause your neck favor shoulder. That's why your chin flap over it. Move your nastiness and go. Yeah, come on, go on. TikTok liar, I so accept him, my baby. Me just come here, my friend. Me just come ticky. TikTok liar, me just come, my baby. Yeah, I so accept you. Give me about half an hour, my baby. Yeah, move from here so with your big neck. Right, the boy flap you. Somebody tell TikTok liar, say, me so accept her, my baby. Tell her give me half an hour. Me soon come, my baby. Yeah. Nothing about you. Akeem, you know what you name to Akeem? Use, refuse, abuse, and set aside. Me not ask you. I could spend so much money. Gang. Watch my baby. Gang. Stop. Shut backside. You don't know when for plug out, you know. Yeah. Sorry about that, yeah. Come let me have shots. Yeah. Bald eagle want my enemy. Yeah. Thank you very much here, good body people. No, for sure. You sit on the boat. So warm to that. If you shame over the cologne, you shame over the cologne. Number one, you tell Akeem already where you buy him. So you couldn't put back the gift. You could never put back the gift. Number one, Akeem tell us they want the bracelet from Artwell. Akeem tell you that. Move from here, so you ask him where you want. He tell you that. Go on here, Akeem know the place them can remember you're not gonna away. Your money put on function. Your money mind, man. And then you come bad up Cheryl Bush, you have to carry with your picnic them. I want Akeem ring all the brown money them out of you. Sorry, I'm not for ring you there. I want him ring all the $1 kind them out of you. Yeah? I want him just hold you and ring you. Move, I can't believe say you have rent for paying a company up a big $5. Eh? You big two money gonna you spend $200,000 on boy when I want you for your so-called anniversary. I am not even lick up your lip with the body. Me not tell no lie, the cocky should have give you allergy. You should have name it and a sneeze. At him, it's the close to Akeem. At him, it's the close to Akeem. Yeah? While Jakes, Diddy and Cheryl Belly just a wine out with the 8B and Spanish guitar playing a Cheryl Hall. Yeah? A smoky room, a small cafe. They come to hear Jakes play. Yeah? And you're not getting none of that, Rosealee. I thought the people them for tell you, you sit down on live and talk about mine man and this and that and the girl them a shape good. The girl them a shape good get the old. And that's the difference now. The girl them a shape good get the old. Slutty never have a man Akeem, but you see my beard naked. And him take your money gear a him take your money gear. Your money man mate and man. Sorry now. Your money name friend mate man. I saw your money name friend mate man. Cause your money man both everybody. Everybody your money man. Nadine, big up yourself. Big up yourself, Nadine. Yeah. Who else ma for big up? Big up on a nice, clean, stay good self. Lioness, big up yourself. Yeah, your money man the crew, my dog. Set rules, set laws. Yeah. The funny part about that song that you're not feel up the balls, Rosealee. You're not feeling up the balls. And you just need to quit now. You just only yourself you are convinced. Cause you can't convince me not pretty than for sure. When you convince the whole internet, me not pretty than you can't convince me. Cause Akeem just a laugh off of your money by Akeem shoes, pants and top. Me not ask you. Cause Akeem now spend $1 and take up the cologne off of the dresser. Him not plan to spend $1. That was a gift from Akeem from somebody and he gifted to you. Move from here so when you move around cologne. Your cologne name pass around donkey. Try nobody use it because you have to go gift it. It name pass the love along. Yeah? And at that them first long and just reason with you about. Yeah, it's true. Me no know how, hey, what me tell you say now? You see back in the days that's why people used to worship idol in Israel. Now care what God do for them still turn to idol worshipping and false gods. Because Rosealee is long on her life I try convince everybody the same way she try convince herself. Me not tell a lie, Rosealee, you get the biggest flap on the app, but you shall be legendary. Jody be my baby. Hey girl, I can't find you, you know. Yeah? You get the biggest flap on the app. Akeem not have to do nothing for flap your show. Your show already flap, you not get no credit. Your name not going up in the credits, but you shall be legendary. But if Akeem say, what you not gonna say, I'm Max. Rosealee, we know say you pay Max 100,000 for grind you from back way with the lights off. You look better in the dark. Yeah? Max stomach strong. Max stomach strong. We know that. Yeah? We know that. So when you talk about, we're not going to say Max. Max is a paid program to everybody will come around here. You have to buy your way. You have to buy out your way. I say I want one next phone, you know. I want one next phone because I want to analyze the argument. Because pay shit here chat. You know if you want nobody come on it and say, whoa, black the one your moderator. Black the one ya, Max, Akeem say Max sign brother. This is how you give up your opinion them fine. And then you gone over Candy Crush. But me not to no lie, Candy keep our party and we not hear nothing the next day. The reason why we not hear nothing Candy did look good for one. King Donia did it. And remember we did say King Donia and Candy did. So our ex got support her. Where was she expanded in a date? Oh sorry, with Cheryl, his new mate. Your new mate, sorry. King Donia did that. You understand me? So it's when girl good. When you gonna reach G plus OOD, mark your shape like the O, you know. But when you gonna spell good, exactly. Gang. Cheryl look flawless. From you see Cheryl picture, you see smell good. When you look on Rosealee picture, you see construction worker and mechanic, she smell metallic. Me never in the mood and all of a sudden them take away your page. From Akeem tell you say, done off a Jakes, them take away your page. All of a sudden, your live stream done. Your live stream can't come back and then suddenly after the dinner date it appear. You and Akeem did sign a contract say a film phone I use with the live. Move na sour power. Move your nastiness. Yeah. You go like your portion and I want the kitchen girl. I want the lady in the kitchen. You favor the sink. So Rosealee just in your kitchen like a dish drainer. I don't know what take you. You not go like it true. Akeem say friendship. Akeem say friendship. And you still a talk about your man. Snap out a bit, Rosealee. You know you're mentally ill. You're mentally retarded. Yeah, you are mentally retarded. Me not have to bathe, my sleep, me take long for stink. Talk to Rosealee, we have to soap before she soap up. So when you talk about go bathe, me da use your tongue and slap underneath me right now. Worse like one underneath my ring. Me no want ching farm on my ear, me no want it farm on the palate of your tongue. Yeah? Me want when me take your tongue from underneath me and push back in your mouth, you think you eat nuts. At them something that at them way them want to treat your saliva. What you saying? Come now we attack. You not talk to me? She not talk to me. She gone. 1 year of entertainment and you pick them as suffer. God bless Jakes and Cheryl. If it had not been for Jakes and Cheryl, Barbara and Shanta would I make appointment to eat out of your hand, middle. I saw you treat your picnic them and I now ask you anything you do for your kids them, you do it for the app. Me now ask if the app never cha-cha and chew you up and spit you out, you could not take up your kids them in hand because Jakes are done more than enough. But Jakes are idiots. Jakes are done more than enough because the internet couldn't direct me. And one thing with me, you know, the internet could never direct me, you know. Oh, because I see when she careless, I saw me careless in the public. But in a private, I better though. You don't make the internet sit down and chat me. My kids, they will come testify and say, Daddy are the best. Sorry, me not daddy, me and mommy. Yeah, it's true. Jakes are idiots. Me never show the internet nothing when I buy for the kids. Me never make Rosealee know either. You think I joke, me gonna make sure always troll me. Me, I gonna make sure always troll me from the app and wanna class me. I remember your son at church. Yes, not come with salvation. Rosealee have no self-esteem problem. She never born with no self. Remember, she's a baby when named Hanover to Westmoreland. Always remember that. She had a baby when named Hanover to Westmoreland. Always remember that. She's stressed. Rosealee stressed and vexed. But Rosealee upset with his AKEAM. Is AKEAM. And AKEAM, let me tell you last night, AKEAM overplays character. Rosealee underplayed hers. And that's why the series, the dinner date never looks so good. Like them not get no script. Of course she a mad out. She ate me so. Me tell you say Rosealee ate the sound of my voice. It's just the sound of the man working on the train. Yeah. She ate the sound of my voice. Rosealee knows when I come and me attack, me a bust it up. Because when she can trick Uno, she can't trick me. When she can trick Uno, she cannot trick me. No, Georgia, it's true. Take pride in your picnic them if you eat yourself. You give away your picnic them for your series when they're real. That's what you did. You gave away your kids and you want to look bad pan Jakes. It can't look bad pan Jakes. That's number one. One thing I like with Jakes, him behave like a girl. Him not take nobody who can mind him calf them because him had a cow. And one thing I like with Jakes, him behave like a girl. Him go hunt it for his kids. Yeah, this come like when women say to them picnic when them picnic get big. You know how much man me take for you? You know how much man me take for my children, them to send them through school? I saw Jakes operate, me now ask you. Yeah, so Jakes do what you should have do. No, Sister Winnie, it's true. And people not talk the truth, yang. People not talking the truth. Them still not talk about say, yeah girl. Yeah, girl, you know, realize the ones them who are support you, the ones them who want to see you go down. You say she wouldn't read in the Bible. Simply bliss, big up your nice, clean self. You say she wouldn't read in the Bible. Wouldn't realize that God used the foolishness of things to confound the wise. And foolishness to confuse you, Rosealee. Big up yourself, simply bliss. Yeah. Foolishness to confuse you. Because I don't know how you could have sit down and endure such a talk. Yeah? The boy this year anyway. Jody B, big up yourself. Simply bliss, thank you my baby. I don't know how you sit down so and watch AKEAM. $200,000 you talk about say if Chukums can go in the house, you know buying a book list and then AKEAM come and talk about say when them say send the dog to his mother Annie, AKEAM come and talk about say nobody enough to call him mother name. No man, the 21 shot with shit and doctor with infected piece. What kind of false preaching are going on the app? I tell them say appear witchcraft upon the app, you know. Appear witchcraft upon the app. Because I don't understand how you sacrifice your kids for your series. How you sacrifice your children them for entertainment. Rosealee, you better pray Chukums grow big because that's the only cocky you're going to get for suck. That's why I came by your man dog. Oh. You shouldn't give a Chukum. Send him by the time you reach teenager because you like young boys. That's the only body that you got to taste. I not ask him a love. AKEAM send you side messages. I say TikTok liar make me hurt. TikTok liar don't know how to review, you know. You want to go back Candy Crush. Candy Crush was hot. Your man did, your men were there with both your mates. Your men were there with both your mates, and you alone spend the weekend alone. See after me, alone. So make it make sense. See ya? You want ball and can't ball. Now come take out your frustration from we for that the Obia man tell you. Can't back go give the Obia man. Tell him wrong aisle and wrong dial. Yeah? She spits here, yeah? You a girl not never bother you yet when it comes to AKEAM. You know for fake it until you make it. But your sister time pass. Hello? We're all the time. Yeah? Enola. Somebody say you need to change your name to Enola. Me not telling a lie. It's sad, it's sad. So when you get up to their yacht, the people them on the live, they must support foolishness. Me hear Pretty than a wrap up AKEAM. AKEAM, me I beg you do. Now answer Pretty than. Next time you know come out and threaten nobody, yeah AKEAM? And everybody don't know say Rosealee a chump girl. Now come out and threaten nobody, yeah my baby? Also the dinner date. I just saw the anniversary there. You know the house? And I know the house. It's not that easy, oh my lord. And I know the house. The dinner, hey, when you come out from it, Martin, black anybody will say I know the house. I know the house? No, outside some curry chicken. It's all cool. Then it's all cook fish and him curry chicken to the Sunday. Then that's the anniversary, then the curry around belly. Why AKEAM can't tell, AKEAM can send Rosealee some messages say she can't pick up it. Me can't done so. Good God Almighty, man. Up on the beach side, him always carry the big place them refit a whale. You know? When I carry, the last time him carry a restaurant named Wales, I know him carry a beach. I hope him bring one back of her daughter and people, Lord Jesus, Rosealee now learn. Oh no, not tell him in the line now. Can't carry a goddamn open space that will fit her shape. Oh no, don't tell me, God, AKEAM, then you don't know. Then AKEAM, where did you take Slutty? Because I know you not carry Slutty go in here anyway now. On the beach name curry chicken, then it's out in a beach trip. They never tell me say the anniversary of beach trip. I could have buy one ticket and buy the newspaper, put in my bosom. It look like a fire, them a go. And I can't take the long journey, you know. I'm not too lie, man. My body will get cold because the night breeze from the ocean. You know, so now wicked today. Curry chicken. It's who cook. Me still ask her who cook. I want there for Max. All when Lammy said she's supposed to go back on her head top. Them out of order for put the mashed potato with the regular. Them out of order for put mashed potato with the curry chicken. She go come and say that she feel for and that she want. Then you and him have same stomach. Me not trouble people and them dining, you know. And one thing with me not trouble people and them dining. I'm not sure. You not only see AKEAM alone can I only see alone you can't carry Rosealee. AKEAM just asking, not troubling. Can't remember my sub. Remember I get my $9.99. Then it's AKEAM a cook. Lord Jesus, what kind of vile the Obeah man give now for putting it? And now Rosealee I go Spain and I back to school AKEAM. Why? I can take 2 for this. The pressure is on. Holy Ghost. The boy they wrap up Rosealee, you know. The boy they wrap up Rosealee. Rosealee tangled, you know, like chewing gum in her ear. No man. Somebody say a night. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like Rosealee. Message I sent.